Again, we got a 13 Toyota Corolla here that has a little problem of not starting when it gets hot. I tried to reproduce, but it starts all the time now. Okay, the code. This is interesting. A little mixture and a set of usual codes that Toyota shows when the engine's not starting. They blame the fuel pump for that, but I've seen different versions of this. Also, it shows one code for misfire. Misfire. Yeah, I saw a misfire code somewhere there. No, it's not there. Okay, misfire number 3 I saw. Okay, I'm gonna clear them codes, right? See what's left. I'm gonna try to start it again. No, it's not reproducible. We're gonna stick with the Toyota version of it for now. Fuel pump goes. Thank you.